1. Romantic surprise trip.
Good morning. Good morning. How can I help you? I want to plan a surprise trip. It's for my boyfriend. How sweet. Where would you like to go? He loves the beach. He's also into history. Perfect. How about Valencia? Valencia. Yes. It has beautiful beaches and a historic city. What a great idea. How much does it cost? How many days? 3 days. A long weekend. Let me see. Hotel and flights. That's €400 per person. 400 euros. Does that include breakfast? Yes. Breakfast included. Great. When is it available? What dates were you thinking? Next month. Is that possible? Sure. There are lots of options. Perfect. Can you send me the information? Of course. What's your email? It's anna.garcia@gmail.com. Great. I'll send everything this afternoon. You're so kind. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Happy to help. Have a nice day. You too. See you later. See you later.
2. Heat without air conditioning.
It's so hot. Yeah. It's really hot today. I can't take it anymore. Is the air conditioning broken? Yeah. It's been broken since yesterday. That sucks. Did you call a repair guy? Yes. He's coming tomorrow morning. Tomorrow. But it's 99 degrees. I know. What should we do meanwhile? We could go to the mall. They have air conditioning there. Good idea. Or the public pool? Perfect. I love that idea. Do you have your swimsuit? Yes. It's in the closet. Great. How much is admission? I think €3. €3 per person. Okay. That's really cheap. What time do they open? 10 in the morning. They close at 9 at night. Perfect. We can spend the whole day there. Yeah. Let's get our stuff ready. Should we bring some food? Sure. And lots of water. Okay. Should we go now? Yeah. I'll be ready in a sec. Great. Finally we'll be cool. Yes. Let's go.
3. Choosing university major.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Have a seat, please. Thanks. I need help choosing a major. Sure. What options are you considering? Psychology and medicine. I don't know which to pick. I see. They're very different. Yeah. I like both. What do you like about psychology? Helping people. Understanding how they think. Very good. And about medicine? Also helping people, but in a more direct way. Perfect. Do you know how long each program is? Psychology is 4 years. And medicine? Medicine is 6 years. Plus 4 for specialization. 10 years total? Yes. It's a long time. What a difference. Which one is harder to study? Both are difficult. Medicine has more sciences. I like science. but I also like humanities. I understand. Do you have good grades in science? Yes. I have a high B. Very good. You could do either major. What do you recommend? Think it over. You have time until June. You're right. Thanks so much for the information. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. See you later. See you later.
4. Grandpa learns phone.
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, sweetheart. Can you help me with the phone? Sure. What do you want to learn? How to call your mother. I don't know how to do it. It's really easy. Look at the phone. Okay. Where do I touch? Here. On this green button. This one? Yes. That opens your contacts. Great. Now what? Look for Mom's name. It's on the list. Let's see. Does it say Elena here? Exactly. Tap on Elena. Okay. Like this. Perfect. Now tap call. Where does it say call? On the little phone. The green icon. This one here. Yes. Tap it. It's calling. It works. Great. Now you know how to call. Can I practice again? Sure. Let's try with your brother. Good idea. What's his name in the phone? Antonio. Look for him on the list. Let's see. I found him. Great. You're really fast. Thanks. I like learning new things. I'm glad. Have fun making calls. Thank you so much. You're so patient.
5. City photo walk.
Excuse me. Hello. How can I help you? Are you a professional photographer? Yes. I do photo tours. How lucky. I'm a beginner. That's great. Want to learn? Yes. Can you give me some tips? Of course. What camera do you have? This one. It's new. Very nice. Good brand. Thanks. What can I photograph here? Lots of things. The streets are really pretty. Yeah. I love the old architecture. Perfect. Look at that window. Which one? The blue one? With the flowers. So pretty. How should I photograph it? Get a little closer. The detail is important. Okay. Is this good? Perfect. Now take the shot. Got it. It came out really well. That's great. You have a good eye. Really? Thank you so much. You're welcome. Want to see more places? Yes. Do you know other pretty spots? Yes. The square is really close. Great. Happy shooting. You too. Have a nice day.
6. Neighborhood barbecue.
Hi. Hello. Good afternoon. I want to organize a barbecue for all the neighbors. What a great idea. How about Saturday? Perfect. What time? 6 in the evening. Sounds good. Where should we have it? Here in the yard. There's plenty of space. Right. What do we need? A grill. Tables and chairs. I have a big grill. Great. Can you bring it? Of course. Awesome. What about food? Each family brings something. Meat, salads, drinks. Good idea. I'll bring hamburgers. Perfect. I'll buy the hot dogs. Should I talk to the other neighbors? Yes. Let's go together. Okay. Right now. What if it rains? We'll do it in the garage. Right. It's covered too. Should we invite the kids? Of course. It's for the whole family. Great. It's going to be so much fun. Yeah. I'm really excited. Thank you so much for your help. No problem. Have a good day. You too. See you later. See you later.
7. Garden tomatoes.
Good morning. Good morning. I have a problem. My tomatoes are dying. Really? Can I see them? Sure. They're over here. The leaves are very yellow. Yes. And brown too. How much water do you give them? Every day. In the morning. Ah. That's too much water. Really? Yes. Tomatoes don't need that much. How much then? 2 or 3 times a week. But a lot each time. I see. Anything else? Do you give them fertilizer? No. Do they need fertilizer? Yes. Once a month. Where do I buy fertilizer? Any garden store? Or the supermarket? Okay. Can these tomatoes be saved? Some of them. The greener ones. What should I do now? Stop watering for a week. Then water less. Got it. What about the brown leaves? Cut them off. With clean scissors. Perfect. Thanks so much for your help. You're welcome. Good luck. Thanks. See you later. See you later.
8. First day work.
Good morning. Good morning. Are you the new person? Yes. I'm Maria. Nice to meet you, Maria. I'm Carlos. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the team. Thanks. I'm a little nervous. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Where do I work? I'll show you your desk. It's over here. Okay. How nice. Do you like it? Yes. It has lots of light. Perfect. Do you need anything? Where's the bathroom? At the end of the hall. On the right. Thanks. What about the kitchen? It's next to the bathroom. You can get coffee whenever you want. Great. What time is lunch? From 1 to 2. A full hour. Perfect. What do I do today? First read these documents. Then we'll talk to the boss. All right. Is the boss nice? Yes. Very friendly. I'm glad. Can I ask you questions? Of course. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much. You're very kind. No problem. Have a good day. You too.
9. Doctor visit cough.
Good morning, doctor. Good morning. How are you feeling? Not very well. I have a bad cough. I see. How long have you had it? For 2 weeks. It never stops. Is it a dry cough? No. With lots of phlegm. I see. Do you have a fever? Sometimes. In the evenings. Sore throat? Yes. It hurts a lot. What about headaches? Yes. Especially in the morning. I'm going to examine you. Open your mouth, please. Okay. Your throat is very red. Can you breathe deeply? Yes. But it hurts. You have an infection in your throat and lungs. Is it serious? Don't worry. Antibiotics will cure it. How long will it take? 1 week. Maybe 2. Do I take pills? Yes. 3 times a day. With food. Better after eating. And drink lots of water. Okay. Anything else? Get plenty of rest. And don't smoke. I don't smoke. Thank you so much, doctor. You're welcome. Feel better. See you later. See you later.
10 wedding dress.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How can I help you? I'm looking for a dress. For a wedding. How nice. What kind of wedding? On the beach. In the afternoon. Perfect. We have beautiful dresses. What colors do you have? Blue, green, pink. Also yellow and purple. Nothing in white. No. White is for the bride. Of course. Can I see the blue one? Sure. What size do you wear? Size 40. Here it is. Do you like it? It's beautiful. Can I try it on? Of course. The fitting room is over there. Thanks. I'll be right back. Perfect. How does it look? Gorgeous. It looks great on you. Really? Yes. The color is perfect. How much does it cost? 120 euros. Do you have a discount? Yes. 20% off. Great. How much is that then? 96 euros. Perfect. I'll take it. Excellent choice. Will you pay by card? Yes. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Enjoy the wedding. See you later. See you later.